2 Timoteo chapter 1 verse 7, sapagkat hindi tayo binigyan ng Diyos ng espiritu ng katakutan, kundi ng kapangyarihan at ng pag-ibig at ng kahusayan. Nakalimang rejection muna ako bago ma-approve ang SSS maternity reimbursement. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung aking experience as employer ng pagpa-file ng maternity reimbursement. Nakalimang rejection muna ako bago ito na-approve ni SSS. Makikita nyo sa screen na we are pleased to inform you that your maternity reimbursement application has been approved by the SSS. Ano ba yung nangyari? I-share ko lang sa inyo. Yung first reason, ayan, ang sabi dito sa rejection is, number 1, itong reason niya, kailangan daw nila ng corresponding official receipt or acknowledgement receipt issued by the Philippine Statistics Authority or the PSA, o kaya naman daw yung local civil registrar was not included in the submitted child's certificate of birth. Pangalawang reason, please upload clear and colored copy of child's certificate of live birth. Sinunod ko naman yan. Actually, first reason to noong October pa, nung una kong final. Inulit ko yan. Tapos yung second reason nila, corresponding OR ulit or acknowledgement receipt na galing sa PSA or local civil registrar was not included in the submitted child certificate of live birth. So inulit ko ulit. Pero nung nag-submit kasi ako, nakalagay naman na lahat dyan yun. Third reason, yun na naman yung reason, corresponding official receipt, tapos not included daw sa birth certificate, tapos inulit ulit na please upload clear and colored copy of birth certificate. Yun yung third reason ulit, para siyang naulit ulit. Kasi inulit ko lang ulit yung sinubmit ko. Fourth reason, submit certification that the employee did not return or report back to work after childbirth or miscarriage or ETP. Ibig sabihin, inaccept nila yung previous na sinubmit ko. Siyempre, nagkaroon ng bagong reason. Kasi yung employee na to ay inactive na sa amin. Kaya siguro nangihingi sila ng certification that the employee did not return to work. Okay, so nag-provide ulit ako. Nung panglimang reason, ayan na. Submit child certificate of birth issued by the PSA with corresponding official receipt or acknowledgement receipt. Mapapansin nyo, dun sa first, second, and third reason, nakalagay dun na corresponding PSA or local civil registrar. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, dito sa fifth reason ko, ang nire-require na nila is PSA. Kasi yung previous na sinabit namin, galing pa siya ng civil registry. Kaya hiningan namin si employee, yung previous employee namin ng PSA. Kaya nung nag-resubmit kami, ayan, finally, na-approve na siya. Itong May lang ito na-approve. So, since nag-file kami nung una, nung October, tapos na-approve lang siya ng May. So, mga ilang buwan din po yun. Ang reason kasi namin, kaya na-delay din ito dahil, syempre, sa sobrang dami ng employees. Number 2, hindi agad nakapag-provide si employee ng PSA dahil inantay pa niya yung request niya kay PSA. So ano ba yung ginawa ko para ma-approve itong SSS maternity? So naging 5 kasi yung rejection bago muna na-approve. So gagawin natin, gagawan ko ng panibagong video para dito para masagot itong ano yung mga ginawa ko noon step by step. Abangan nyo bukas yung part 2. Thank you and God bless.